Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage here. Yep, got my gloves on, so that means it's time to get this carburetor out of the dip. So here we go. I'll give you the first view of what it's going to look like. Okay, take the brake rotor off. Open up the dip. Set that there. Set that there. And we'll set that guy right there. Okay, now it's time to neutralize it. Put the lid back on. Always keep her sealed up. Now we got to neutralize all of that chemical because this stuff is, like I said, it's pretty harsh stuff. So we'll come over here and I'll show you how I neutralize it. Okay, I got you over here by the hot tank here. We'll turn the water on. That's all it is, hot water. We'll let the water get good and hot. Right there, now I gotta hurry because there ain't much, this has got a small water heater in it. So, here we go. The hot water neutralizes the carburetor cleaner. We'll just kind of set that there so we're brushing it right over into it. Just wash it all up. Pretty simple stuff. Okay, just like that. Now she's neutralized and ready for the next step. which is the assembly. And I'll take you over here, and I'm going to get these off because they're just, I can't work in these things. I'll take you over to the next step and I'll show you how to assemble it. Here we go.